To change the language on mobile.de, a German website, start by typing the URL into your web browser. Upon arrival, you'll notice that most of the content is in German. If you wish to change the language, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, where you'll find various options, including social media links and a language setting that defaults to Deutsche. Click on this setting to reveal a list of alternative languages, including English, Spanish, French, Dutch, Polish, Romanian, Russian, Czech, and Turkish. Selecting your preferred language, such as English, will make navigating the site much easier. With the language changed, the site becomes more user-friendly, allowing you to explore its features with greater ease. Changing the language on mobile.de is a simple process that enhances the overall user experience, making it more accessible to a broader audience.